we are to do a dilation, what we're doing, remember, is making our figure bigger or smaller. In this case, we're looking at a specific point. We have 3 comma 6, and we want to dilate 3 comma 6 with a scale factor of 4. So to perform a dilation, we simply multiply the scale factor times each of the x and y values. So I'm just going to take 3 times 4 and then 6 times 4. So my dilation of 3 comma 6 with a scale factor of 4 gives me 12 comma 24. All I'm doing is multiplying. Now, what might become tricky is if you're asked to perform a dilation with a scale factor that has a fraction. So we'll still use our 0.3 comma 6, but this time we're going to use a scale factor of 1/3. Now we're still multiplying, okay, but we're multiplying a fraction times each of our x and y values. Now we are technically multiplying, so I'm going to do 3 times 1/3, and when we multiply a whole number times a fraction, we put our whole number over 1, and we multiply straight across, giving me 3/3. Now, when I simplify this, 3 divided by 3 is 1. Okay, so my scale factor of 3, my dilation of 1/3 of the value 3 will give me 1. And then I do the same thing for 6. So 6 times 1/3, again, put the whole number over 1 and multiply straight across. So we do 6 times 1 is 6, 1 times 3 is 3, and 6/3 is the same as 6 divided by 3, which gives me 2. So my 0.36 with a scale factor of 1/3 is 1 comma 2. Now, although we are technically multiplying, as you noticed, my last step to simplify each of these was to divide. Okay, so you can also look at solving this by just taking 3 comma 6 and dividing both 3 and 6 by 3. And that is also how I can get 1 comma 2. So regardless of how you look at it, obviously whatever makes most sense to you. But remember, a scale factor of 1/3, anything with a scale factor of less than 1 is going to make my dilation smaller. So we'll be technically dividing by that denominator of whatever that is, 1/4, 1/3, 1/2. And then, of course, when by whole numbers, we can just multiply our whole number of our scale factor by x and y to get our new larger figure.